Looking for the right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options, and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today, request more information, and set up a test drive right away. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, integrated turn signal mirrors, privacy glass, Bluetooth, smart device integration, adaptive cruise control. Come take a test drive today.